In this video, we will discuss General Assembly of the UNO. In previous video, we discussed the history of the UNO, and after that, uh, in this video, we will discuss the General Assembly, one of the several organs of General Assembly. You see, one of the several organs of the UNO General Assembly is the most important organ of the UNO. How it is composed? ये बनता कैसे है? It is composed of all the members of the UNO. ये यूएनओ के जितने मेंबर कंट्रीज हैं उनके द्वारा ये बनता है. मीन्स all the member countries of the world are the member of General Assembly. And how does it work? It works like the parliament of a country. It works like the senate of a country. Just as we have parliament for making laws for the country, for framing the laws for the country, similarly we have General Assembly. The UNO has General Assembly, and General Assembly is composed of all the member nations of the UNO. Means all the member nations of the UNO are the members of the General Assembly. Clear? Next, function. The you see session of the General Assembly is held once in a year, and every country has the right to send a delegation of 5 members. Whether it is a big country or a small country, but one delegation of 5 members is to go there to attend any session, any meeting of the UNO General Assembly. And whatever may be the territorial extension and population strength of a country, but every country has the right to a single vote, whether a small or big country, no matter. India, with largest population, has the voting right of a single vote on any international and national issues. Similarly, Nepal, a small country, a small population strength, and it will also have the right of a single vote. And if then it is composed of all the member nations of the UNO. Every nation can send a team of 5 delegation when the session of UNO begins, and once in a year the session is held. In special cases, in special situations, the assembly can sit more than one time in a year, in a very special cases. Therefore it is this is how the you see General Assembly of the UNO work, and you see is composed of. Thank you. I think you understand.